Well, top of the morning to you. It's St. Patrick's Day. Wearing the green. Anyway, just wanted to do a little video documentary here today. A little bit of a vlog. Haven't done one in a while. Got to have the car towed today. The white car out there, the Buick. Have to get it towed today because the serpentine belt is off and the crankshaft pulley is broken. A friend of mine tried to help me fix it and realized we couldn't do anything with that pulley being broken. Shouldn't be too hard to repair. Tow truck's on his way, be here in about an hour. I'll see if I can get a little bit of a shot of me, riding in the tow truck with the guy to my grandpa's house, and we'll get some more video and such of the repairs then and everything, kind of, just show it, and then hopefully have a successful little video on the way home. So, anyway, I guess we'll hope to have the luck of the Blarney on with us today as we get this taken care of. So, I'll talk to y'all soon. Well, as you can see, we pulled the car out. It was kind of hard to do, but we got it out to line it up for the tow truck. Just got the phone call that he's within 45 minutes of being here, so we're going to get ready to go, and maybe get a little footage of it getting up onto the truck. So we'll be back shortly. And they're coming to tow me away. Haha, they're coming to tow me away. Here we go.
Oh, I just left it.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I don't know if you need me to take him or not. Tow truck.
Last week. My sweet revenge. Put in your...
Yeah, apparently he's selling this house, and I guess he got it sold and gonna be moving.
Yeah.
I said, I hope you get another garage because we like working in there. He's all, I will. Get an hop out here.
Watch the statue, right?
Yeah, you can just just let it right here, and we can always get it over into the garage. Because it'll be the other side we'll put it in. That's where the lift is.
All right.
But yeah, you can just let it here if you want to.